Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best multimeter for electronics, selected for their measurements, dependable performance, easy usability, and trusted reliability for diagnosing, maintaining, and troubleshooting sensitive electronic components with confidence. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. ALIENTEK DM40 Multimeter for electronic. The ALIENTEK DM40 Multimeter is a professional-grade 4.5-digit device designed for electronics enthusiasts, engineers, and lab technicians who demand both precision and modern functionality. With a maximum 39,999 count display, it delivers highly detailed measurements, making it suitable for advanced circuit diagnostics and component analysis. One of its most impressive features is the built-in 5 ppm high-precision reference source, which ensures long-term stability and dependable accuracy over time, an essential benefit for calibration work and sensitive testing environments. The innovative 3-hole design for fully automatic current measurement in microamps, milliamps, and amp ranges simplifies the testing process, reducing manual range selection errors and improving efficiency. Its ultra-fast continuity testing function is responsive and practical for troubleshooting PCB traces, while the enhanced diode mode provides multiple voltage drop measurements with clear, audible indicators for quick confirmation. Number 2. FNIRSI UT161E Multimeter for electronic. The FNIRSI UT161E Multimeter is a versatile 3-in-1 testing tool that combines a digital multimeter, oscilloscope, and signal generator into a compact handheld device. Known for its reliability and strong user feedback, this model appeals to hobbyists, repair technicians, and field engineers who want multifunction performance without carrying multiple instruments. One of its most attractive features is the dual-channel 100 MHz oscilloscope capability. This allows users to analyze 2 signals simultaneously, making it ideal for waveform comparison, debugging switching circuits, and examining power supply outputs. The 20,000 count resolution ensures accurate voltage, current, and resistance readings, providing dependable precision for everyday electronics testing. The auto-ranging feature simplifies operation by automatically adjusting measurement ranges, reducing the need for manual configuration and minimizing the risk of incorrect readings. Its oscilloscope functionality is surprisingly capable for a portable device, offering real-time waveform visualization in a convenient handheld format.
Number 3. OWON XDM1041 Multimeter for electronic. The OWON XDM1041 Multimeter is a reliable bench-style digital multimeter designed for laboratory use, repair workshops, and professional electronics applications. Featuring a 3.5-inch high-resolution LCD display with 480 by 320 clarity, it provides excellent visibility and supports dual-line display for viewing multiple parameters simultaneously. This makes it especially useful for monitoring voltage and current at the same time. With an impressive 55,000 count resolution and DC voltage accuracy up to 0.05%, the XDM1041 delivers strong measurement precision, suitable for calibration tasks and sensitive component testing. It can perform up to 65 readings per second, ensuring responsive measurement updates for dynamic signals. The inclusion of true RMS AC voltage and current measurement enhances its accuracy when working with non-sinusoidal waveforms.
Number 4. UNI-T UT161E Multimeter for electronic. The UNI-T UT161E Multimeter is a dependable true RMS digital multimeter designed for industrial, maintenance, and electrical applications. With a 22,000 count display resolution, it offers higher precision than many standard handheld meters, making it suitable for both professional technicians and advanced users. It supports measurement up to 1,000 volt AC/DC, providing the capability required for high voltage environments. Safety is a key strength of the UT161 series. The UT161E includes audible and visible alarms that activate when measuring high voltage, current, or temperature, helping prevent accidental misuse. Its strong input protection design further enhances user safety during demanding tasks. The meter supports true RMS measurement, ensuring accurate readings even with distorted or non-linear waveforms. Additional features such as data hold, backlight, max-min recording, and relative measurement mode improve usability in real-world troubleshooting scenarios.
Number 5. BSIDE SH7 Multimeter for electronic. The BSIDE SH7 Multimeter is a powerful 2-in-1 diagnostic tool that combines a high-precision digital multimeter with a 320 by 320 resolution industrial-grade thermal camera. Designed for advanced inspection tasks, it is particularly suitable for HVAC maintenance, power system checks, PCB diagnostics, and underfloor heating leak detection. The 25 Hz thermal imaging sensor delivers smooth, real-time imaging, while adjustable emissivity settings improve temperature measurement accuracy. With a measurement range of -20 degrees Celsius to +550 degrees Celsius and ±2 degrees Celsius or ±2% accuracy, the SH7 is capable of handling demanding industrial applications. The optional macro lens enhances its usefulness for electronics repair, allowing users to capture small details as fine as 1 mm by 1 mm at a working distance of 3 to 5 centimeters, ideal for smartphone and PCB inspections. And that wraps up the top 5 best multimeter for electronics. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.